You can create this effect in DaVinci Resolve in just a few simple steps. Create Fusion composition, place it on the timeline and switch to Fusion. Add as text, as outline and as render nodes. Connect them to media out. Enter your text and adjust the font and size. Go to S outline node and use the thickness parameter to set outline width. Right-click on the length parameter and choose expression. Enter the value. This will allow the animation to complete a full rotation over the duration of the video. Add soft glove node and adjust the effect. Done. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.